How to log in Snapchat account, Snapchat app login. So if you want to log into your Snapchat account, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat app. Now first of all, if you have also not yet created a Snapchat account, you can do so by tapping on continue with Google and tapping on the sign up option here. Or if you already have an account, you can go to the login option. Simply make sure to enter your Snapchat username here, and once you make sure to enter your Snapchat username or email, you can go ahead and then enter your password. Now if you happen to forget your password, you can tap on forgot your password button there to reset it. Otherwise, what you can directly do is you can just tap on the login option there and you'll be successfully logged into your Snapchat account. This way you'll be able to log into Snapchat account or app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.